Arrow AI has just been released, and if you're considering trying it out, you'll want to know these 7 crucial things before diving in. Stick with me until the end, because I'm about to cover what makes Arrow AI stand out in a crowded AI landscape, and whether or not it's worth your time and money. First, let's talk about why this software has generated so much buzz. Arrow AI is an advanced tool designed to automate and optimize a wide range of tasks, whether it's in marketing, content creation, or even customer engagement. But does it live up to the hype? I'm going to break it down for you step by step. If you're new to Arrow AI, one of the first things you should know is how easy it is to integrate into your workflow. Unlike some of the more complex AI systems out there, Arrow AI is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started, which is huge for those looking to make an immediate impact without hours of setup. Secondly, Arrow AI offers powerful automation tools that help save time on repetitive tasks. For example, it has smart content generation features that can help you draft emails, write blog posts, or create social media content. If you're in digital marketing, content creation, or even e-commerce, this can be a game changer. Imagine cutting your content creation time in half. Arrow AI makes that possible. Another thing that sets Arrow AI apart is its versatility. You can use it for a range of different tasks. Whether you're looking to optimize your ads, generate sales copy, or engage with customers, Arrow AI provides solutions that work across various industries. This adaptability makes it appealing to both small businesses and larger enterprises alike. Now let's talk about its unique AI-powered analytics feature. Arrow AI doesn't just automate tasks, it also provides valuable insights based on data analysis. If you're a marketer or business owner, this means you can see exactly how well your campaigns are performing and get actionable recommendations for improvement. No more guessing. Arrow AI gives you the data you need to make smarter decisions. One area where Arrow AI really excels is in its collaboration tools. If you're working with a team, Arrow AI allows you to seamlessly collaborate on projects, making it easier to coordinate efforts and stay on track. This is particularly useful for businesses looking to scale and optimize their operations as a team. Another feature worth mentioning is its customer support. If you run into any issues, Arrow AI's customer support team is responsive and provides timely solutions. That's a major plus, as some software companies tend to leave you hanging when you need help most. Now, you might be wondering about the pricing, especially since Arrow AI has just been released. Fortunately, they offer a free trial so you can test out all of its features before committing to a subscription. This allows you to explore the software at your own pace and decide if it's a good fit for your needs. You can find the link to the free trial in the description below, so make sure you check it out before the offer runs out. Finally, Arrow AI is still evolving. This is important because the team behind it is constantly working to improve the software and add new features. So if you try it now and find a few quirks, don't be discouraged. There's a lot more to come, and the software will only get better over time. If you've been searching for the best AI software to take your business or marketing efforts to the next level, Arrow AI is definitely worth considering. But remember, it's not the only one out there. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've got my top recommendations in the description below. These are tools that I've personally found to be incredibly effective in helping businesses streamline their operations and maximize productivity. So, if you want to learn more about Arrow AI or try it out for free, head to the link in the description. And don't forget to check out my other AI software recommendations to help you take your business to the next level.